Go over there. Who's that? Who is that? Is that Hector? Que pança é essa? What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, Hector, come here. I think you've been spending too much time with your puppy. Look at you. Wanna get out? Wanna go back? Hector, baby, blow kisses. Blow kisses. Blow kisses. Oh, say please. Say please. Hey. Hey, little one. Hi. Say please. Say please. Please. Say please. Hey, that Mama's bra. Give it back to me. Are you gonna put it? Are you gonna put it on? No, because you're a boy. Really? Okay, come to Poppy. Okay, now you're throwing it on the floor, huh? Nothing to do with it. Huh? What? Give it to Mama. Give it to Poppy. Come on. Grab it. Let's go. Let's grab it. Give it to Poppy. Where's Poppy? Hector, no, 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 come here, come here, come here. Oh my God.
Are you serious? Give that back to her.
Did you see what he took from my bedroom and took off? Hey, don't do that. You did not do that. Did you hear it? Hector, grab it.
Here.
Hector.
Hey, take this back. Hector.
Hector.
Look.
Look what he took from my bedroom.
Hector, why did you take that? You brat? It's not for
Come on.
you.